Now the information you're going to get in this video is actually a paid course, but you're going to get it all for free. Now all I want you to do is to watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you are not going to miss anything out. Now in this video we're going to be looking at certain sites you haven't heard of, and these sites have business listed on these sites. So we have business from different part of the country, different part of the world, because the sites are going to be categorized into two, that is Nigerian based businesses, or the sites based on Nigeria, and we now have foreign based business. You're going to get access to businesses that are being listed in this site, and you're going to try to offer a service to them. So you're going to try to pitch, you're going to send in mails to them, to their management department, and hopefully they are going to employ you, or hopefully they are going to accept you to do certain things. So you're going to pitch in certain ideas that you have, and I'm going to show you guys everything. Let me show you guys the first site, and let me show you guys what you're going to do there. Come to this website called confirmed.ng. So if you notice here in this website, you have you can add your business. That if you have a business here, you can add your business to get listed here. Now most of the cities that are here are Abuja and Lagos. So you can see them. If you see Abuja here, we have like 1,000 plus listings here. So let's tap on, see, we've tapped on Abuja. So these are businesses located in Abuja, and you can see all their details that they give you. You see some of them have their details, their number, which you can contact them. So let's come down here and see this clinic, this Abuja, this Gahan. Let's tap on it. Now you can see what you have here is, you can see you can call now, but I won't advise you to call them. You can see this is when they are open from Monday to Sundays. This is their service description. You can see. So even if you have a business, you can list them here so that you get a lot of customers that can come to you. When you come up here, you can see there's food, drinks, entertainment, media, and beauty, fitness. Let's go to this beauty, fitness. I'm just showing you guys around. I'm showing you guys the things that you can do. So you can see this is a spa. This is a spa. This is their number. This is their number. This is spa. This is their number, which you can contact them. I will suggest you kind of send them a message instead of call. You're seeing the possibilities with this website, especially if you're located in these places, that is Abuja and Lagos. So this is what you can do. And you can see this send inquiries. So let's tap here. Let's reload and see. Okay, so it's probably not working. They should check that. They even have a WhatsApp. They have a WhatsApp, so which you can just tap, and let's see if it's going to take us to WhatsApp. Let's say connect. Okay, so I think this particular business here, I haven't really updated their information, so let's go back. So if you want to like sign up, you just come here to this place here, this one that it shows man, this is where I guess you are. You tap on it. Let's tap on it and see. I think that's where you should take it to your profile. Yeah, so this is where you're going to put your username. You just sign up. You sign your business here, because this is where a lot of customers can come to reach you, and it increases your chances to get more customers. So I hope you guys are gaining value from this. The possibilities is just so huge. You have a lot of business, up to 1,000 of business listed in this site, so you could just think of what you could do. And one of the things that you could, if you have a business, you can decide to host your business there. You can decide to tell other people that have businesses, you tell them that you will help them to host their business there, then they should pay you something. Or see, there's a lot. Making money is just you using your intellect, your wisdom, your knowledge. So that is the thing. So the next site that we're going to go into, this is the next website. This is finelib.com, right? I don't know if I pronounced that well. Finelib. Okay, so this is the site. You can see it here. So let us put this in the desktop site. Let's put it in the desktop site, so that we're going to get yeah, you can see everything is showing properly well. So observe something with this website is that you have all of the states, here, all of them you can see. So you locate businesses based on just the states that you are in. So let's say now you want to pitch a business to certain businesses that is within your own locality. You can now just choose from your own location. So I am in Maiduguri. Let's go down to Maiduguri. You see Maiduguri here. So let's say I want to pitch in, I want to look for businesses in Maiduguri, and you can see there are even categories of businesses in Maiduguri. So you can see the automotive, yeah, this is car dealers, and so let me see. So let's look at, there's a lot of things you can do here: travel, news and media, shopping, employment, education. Yeah, this is schools, computer. So let me just go to this auto. Just click away from all these sites. Close. So obviously my own city, I know that very less of people will know about this thing. So you can see it's only even 2 listings. You see you have only 2 businesses listed here. So you can see their information. You can see this is Borori Street. I don't know where that is. So you could just come here and then tap on more information. So let's see if it has more information down. Let's see. So okay, you can see the number. This is the phone number. You can send a message to contact. Yeah. So let's go back to home. I trust my own place. Let's go to Lagos. You have a lot of, I'm sure Lagos you have a lot of listing. Let's go to motive. So you can see, yeah, places like Lagos you have a lot of things listed here. So you can see this one, this is their number here. You can just put in more information, and let's see, and they even have their website. So you can see, let's try to this now. These are gaps you should be looking at when you're doing research in these sites. Observe something, observe the gaps, and then you're going to fill in the gaps. So places like this website, now if you should click on this website, let us see how the website is. Let us see if the website is good. Let us see if the website is bad. So these are part of the things you can pitch to the people. You pitch to them, you send them an email, and a very good formal email saying that, okay, I've noticed that your website is this, and I'm a website developer. That is, if you are, and even if you're not a website developer, you can meet other website developers, look for them, look for trusted website developers, and then kind of do an affiliate program with them. That is, you can meet one-on-one. I have friends that do create websites. So if I'm going to pitch something like that to these people, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell my friend that I have someone that needs a website. That is, if we have agreed with them that they are going to check. Let's tap on this side. You enter your car, choose to come down. You can see there's a lot of things that they are selling here. So what I want you to do is now to come down, all the way down. You're going to see their socials. You see their socials. So you could go. Let's go to their, go and brand them or manage their Instagram. So you see their Instagram is kind of okay. They have a very good Instagram management. At least they have it. This one, they are big companies. So this is how you keep on searching. Now there are a lot of gaps here that you're going to fill in, because now most of you will say, okay, Victor, we know we have done research and we have seen that, okay, this is the site, this is the business that is here, is in our area. Okay, what can we then do for them? Now I'm going to list for you certain gaps that I've observed with a lot of business, especially beginners, and you're going to see all of this beginning business here. So most of them have low social media management. That is, they have a very weak social media management. their social media. They don't post on Instagram, they don't post on anywhere. So come in there to be a social media manager. Second thing you can do for these people is what we call search engine marketing. Now, under search engine marketing, we have list of SEO, that is search engine optimization, how their site is closer to the first page of the web of Google. You can do like Google analytics, and also update their Google My Business, that is you list them on Google. These are things that you can help the sites to do. Also help in branding them, that is it's still under social media management. You brand them, help them to choose their color. You could also do the most important thing that every that I feel is an evergreen skill for every business, which is called graphic design. So you can pitch in graphic design. Graphic design, I have a course. I'm a graphic designer, and I have a course that you can also that you can use your phone to learn graphic design. So if you need that course, you can come down in the link below, and then you get it down on my link tree. Now, to contact businesses like this, what you have to do is you have to compose a formal mail to these people, pitching what the gap that you're seeing, pitching what you do, what you have done for others, and what you can do for them. I will make a part 2 of this video revealing foreign sites where you could get foreign jobs, foreign clients, foreign business people, and that will be in part 2 of this particular video. So now, if you're watched to the end of the video, I promise you I'm going to give you a gift, and now I'm going to give you the access to a PDF where you can download and get to see how to write this email properly to these businesses. So this email is going to like show you the format. I'm going to show you guys the format on how you can write well persuasive emails to any niche. All you have to do is to kind of substitute certain parts, your name and certain parts of the mail that will suit your purpose of sending it. So you click down where you say give me the PDF. You see give me the PDF, click on it and download mail that will guide you. If you've gotten value from this video, I want you guys to like, to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share this video to whoever you think that will need